Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So friends, once again I am with you guys and I am so happy that most of you guys subscribes to my YouTube channel and welcome to my channel, uh, to new joiners and all of my brothers and friends. So in my last section I saw like most of you supported me and provided a good comments on my videos, so I'm more happy, and now onwards I am also planning lot of sessions, lot of recording is going on, and I will definitely try my best to deliver you guys best hands-on lab things on this portal. And yes guys, definitely like slowly once time will come, I will upload more videos on AWS different kind of certification and certifications scheme and plan. And I will also upload how, if anyone of you wanted to like pass the certification, then how you can approach the different certification level from provided by AWS. And once AWS series will be completed, then parallelly I am also running a different series of Python language in Hindi, so I will try to make that content also in English language, so that different mainstream listeners and viewers can see the videos, and accordingly you guys can mm, uh, be benefited from those videos. So friends, with this channel my purpose is just to train the people. So if only one of you guys will take a job from this hands on now, then that will be then I will think that, I will think that I am successful and I am providing a good content to you guys. So without wasting any time, friends, let's start with our next video. So in today's session I'm going to let you know guys how any one of you can create a network load balancer. As we saw in our previous videos that we created application load balancer, right? And from this AWS page you can also see the different functionality of application load balancer and network load balancer and this gateway load balancer. So friends, this network load balancer basically used in the industry to get the ultra high performance. Means if there is backend server and multiple applications are hosted, and our client is trying to get the access with very less latency, no latency you can say, or minimal latency, then in that case you can go with this network load balancer. Okay, so here this is not our theory section, so I'm not going to cover any theory part in this. You can go and see in our videos. As you guys know, I'm just like taking you guys through the lab part, right? As our channel's name shows that Arham Technology Lab. So yes, friends, if anyone of you wanted me that I have to provide the theory lecture as well, but that is not worth in the IT industry. Okay, IT industry, everything depends on the practical knowledge. If you are very good at the practical level, then you can do any kind of project. Okay, so so without wasting any time, friends, today I took a lot of time in discussing the things. So let me discuss. I will be available live stream once uh, I will get a very good amount of crowd on my channel. Then definitely I will go live and I will do one-to-one session with you guys. Okay. So today's session, let me start. Let's start, guys. And yes, happy learning. Be happy always and try to learn new things. Okay. So let's get started with creation of this network load balancer. So in today's session, everything would remain same, but instead of like creating an application load balancer for like HTTPS traffic, we will be creating a network load balancer, and we will be getting a very low latency on this load balancer traffic routing. Okay, so you just guys need to get into this AWS service portal. Okay, and you have to go to the EC2 instance level where you can find this load balancing option. Just go to click on this EC2 instance, go down, click on this load balancer. Okay, network is bit slow, so sorry for this guys. Okay, We are not seeing any load balancer here. Just click on create load balancer. You will find different load balancer option here: application load balancer, network load balancer, and gateway load balancer. Okay, so basically, as in our previous lecture, I have discussed that this gateway load balancer are used if you are trying to integrate some kind of security appliances like firewall or any kind of DDoS protection or any kind of external network layer you wanted to implement. Then in that case, you have to go with this gateway load balancer. Okay, this is a very high configuration where it will provide, like, you can see here, to the gateway load balancer when you need to deploy and manage a fleet of third-party virtual appliance that supports Geneve. Okay, this application enabled to improve security, compliance, policy controls. Okay, I will also do a session on this, but in today's session, just let's get started to creation of this network load balancer. You just need to hit on this create and just provide any name of your load balancer. So I'm going to provide Arham demo NLB network load balancer. So it is asking for the scheme, what scheme of network load balancer you want it, either it is internet facing or internal facing. So basically you can also create a internal facing load balancer when you wanted to distribute the traffic within your internal servers, within your internal domain, within your internal architecture. You don't want to go to the internet, you don't want to allow any internet traffic, then in that case you will go with the internal load balancer. But in our lab session, I'm going to create an internet facing load balancer. So any traffic will be coming via internet. It will be directly hitting your network load balancer. Okay, so it should be internet facing, and the next is IP address type should be IP address 4. Okay, network mapping, I have to select these three availability zone for highly availability, for high availability. And this IP version 4 address should be assigned by AWS. Okay, it is by default selected. Security group, we are going to create a new security group for this network load balancer. So just hit on create security group. Here we have to provide the name SG and LB. We can give it name, description, anything you can provide. I'm keeping the same one. Rule. So outbound traffic should remain all traffic. Outbound means traffic which is coming out from our infrastructure, and the inbound, so main traffic is inbound traffic. Okay, so I have to provide the inbound traffic means incoming traffic. I'm going to select HTTP traffic here. Okay, and custom should be this one, anywhere, any one of IP version 4 type IP addresses. Okay, just go and hit on create security group. Name cannot begin with SG. Okay, it should not be start with SG, just NLB SG. Okay, this is the naming convention of security group. That's why it is saying it is not start with security group SG. Create security. So security group gets created. Just go there and just refresh this. Make selection from this drop down. NLB SG security group we have just launched. Okay, and then listeners should be protocol should be TCP at port 80, and here it is again asking for the target group. Okay, so we don't have any target, but we can also select from this previous one. Okay, we can select, we are not having any targets here, so just go and create a target group. Okay, what all target you wanted to be associated with this network load balancer, so traffic will be distributed on this load balancer. Okay, I am going to select here instances, IP address 4, lambda function, application load balancer. So all these sections in our upcoming lectures I am going to explain you guys. Okay, what all, how we can select different services like IP addresses, lambda functions, application load balancers. Okay, But in this demo section, I'm just considering these instances. Okay, so just give the target group name NLB targets. I am giving its name. Protocol should be the TCP and port should be the AT only, because I already created this network load balancer protocol. You can select any protocol, but I am going to demonstrate you guys with this TCP protocol. Okay, perfect. So it should be the TCP. Okay, and everything should remain default one. Just go and hit on next. Okay, then it is asking for to register the available instances. So I'm having these two servers only running. Okay, so that's why only these instances are available. If you have multiple instances available, then you will get multiple instances options here. Okay, I'm going to select these two machines. You have to click on include as pending below. Okay, just hit on create target groups. Perfect. Okay, just let it be forbidden. You just go there and refresh this page and you will get this target group here. Okay, and other selections would remain same as default. Just go and hit on create load balancer. Perfect, guys. So now you can see it is in the provisioning state. Okay, and let me go here and check whether it is coming as healthy or not. So healthy is 0. Just refresh this. It is in the initialized state. So let me pause for a couple of minutes and I will get back to you guys. Okay, thank you. So guys, you can see the power of cloud, right? In the cloud world, you can easily create different kind of services in a couple of minutes. So load balancer is taking some time, so just keep on refreshing. Once this status would turn to active, then I will show you guys how we can like distribute the traffic between our target groups. So let me refresh this as well. Here it is also in the initialized state. Okay, it is showing has been created. Okay, and not getting anything. Just do a hard refresh here. So friends, our network load balancer are in active state. You can see here. Okay, and if you go and copy this DNS name of this network load balancer and just hit on this, you can say it is not responding and it is moving and moving. Okay, and if we go and check this target group, you can also see these two instances are in unhealthy state. Okay, so this is in this way you can also do the troubleshoot while you are performing or you are creating any kind of infrastructure. So guys, this kind of issues generally comes because of this security group error. You can see here while I was creating the security group for this network load balancer, uh, what was happened, I have selected a separate security group, but the EC2 instances which are already running, let me go to the security group of that instance. Okay, this launch wizard 1, and if you go to the inbound rule, you can see here, right, this is having SSH and HTTP. So this HTTP security group is for ALB. You can mention here this for ALB, but we have to add another rule which will allow traffic from our network load balancer, because network load balancer have a separate security group which we already created. So You can go and add another rule in this security group for HTTP traffic to allow HTTP traffic. Okay, so we have to keep this HTTP, and this should be custom, not custom. Yeah, this should be custom one, and I have to select our network load balancer. So network as the security group, we have created this, right, in our this session. So we have to select this one and save this rule. Okay, so once you allowed this security group of network load balancer to your EC2 instances security group, then just hit on this. Okay, DNS. You can also see this will come into the healthy state once it will allow the traffic. So friends, you can see it takes some time, and now our security group are in the healthy state. Okay, so once it is in the healthy state, um, and we allowed the traffic via this network load balancer to the security group of our EC2 instances or the servers on which our applications are running. And if you go and select this DNS, and if you hit on click, okay, you can get the traffic. Okay, previously you were seeing IP from different one, you can see now IP from this different. Okay, you can see it is changing. Okay, so in this way we can see with very minimal time, very less latency, means high performance, you are able to access your applications running behind your network load balancer. So friends, this is it for today's session, and in our next session I will be showing you guys how you can enable the SSL certificate, okay, on your network load balancer and application load balancer. Okay, so you can see here, if you are accessing this, it is showing your connection is not secure. Okay, so once SSL means secure socket layer. Okay, so basically, if you are accessing any secured website, you can see here, okay, and you will find this lock option. Okay, if you go and click here, this AWS, okay, AWS console, okay, AWS console or any website. Okay, so and okay, you can see here HTTPS means it is secure. Okay, you can see here it is showing connection is secure. Okay, if you click here and if you go to this certification, you can also see you can also see its validity and all. Okay, so this SSL means this SSL certificate is issued by some certificate provider agency, and it will allow our real time traffic in a secured tunnel. Okay, means it will provide our website a kind of security. So basically SSL is a kind of secure socket layer kind of security, which basically allowed security to our website. Okay, so you can see this URL is secure, but this network load balancer which we created, it is showing it is not secure. So basically how we are dealing with this security, SSL security, I will be going to upload another video, and I will be explaining to you guys. Okay, so this is it for today's session, friends. So friends, if you like my videos, please support, and please do subscribe and share with your friends, and just provide your valuable comment so that I can upload more content on AWS cloud. Or guys, if you like my Python programming language in Hindi, then just provide your valuable comment. Either I have to go with this Hindi language, or I have to prepare another content in English language for you guys, just let me know. I will be uploading the videos for you guys. Okay. So happy learning, friends. I'm signing out from this Arham Technology. Thank you. Have a nice day and happy Christmas to all of you guys. New Years are coming. So just keep studying new things, keep learning. Okay. Bye. Thanks. Thank you.